Welcome. Today, we will learn how to convert escaped HTML entities back into their original symbols using JavaScript. This is useful when working with user-generated content, web scraping, or data processing. Let's get started. Sometimes, HTML entities appear in text content due to encoding or security reasons. Our goal is to revert them to their readable form. This function uses replace with a regular expression to identify escaped characters and replaces them using a lookup dictionary. The function scans the string for HTML escape sequence, looks up the corresponding characters in an object, and replaces them dynamically. This table summarizes how each escape character gets replaced with its unescaped counterpart. This technique is widely used when handling user-generated content, processing HTML from external sources, and displaying text safely. In summary, unescaping HTML entities is an essential skill when working with web data. This approach ensures that text is correctly formatted and displayed. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.